Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if there's a better way to achieve the clean feeling you get after a visit to the dentist without all the flossing frustration? Well, I may have found just what you need, the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser with 10 settings. Whether you're looking to tackle plaque or improve gum health, this advanced water flosser claims to be your new go-to tool. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser WP6662 is designed with 10 pressure settings, making it customizable for a variety of needs, from gentle gum stimulation to more intense plaque removal. This bundle also comes with Waterpik Fresh Mint Whitening Tablets, which are said to remove up to 25% more stains than brushing alone. And with a large 22-ounce reservoir, you get up to 90 seconds of flossing time, so you can get every corner of your mouth clean. Now, I know the pressure is on when it comes to dental health tools, and I'm sure you want something that works well and lasts. So after testing this out for a while, here's my take. Let's talk about real-world usage. How does it feel in action? First off, this is super easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The 10 settings are a game changer, especially the massage mode that gently stimulates my gums for better overall health. The flossing experience is comfortable, and it definitely feels like it's giving me that dentist-approved clean feeling, without the hassle of traditional flossing. Plus, the large reservoir means I can floss without constantly refilling, which is a nice touch. As for the whitening tablets, honestly, I noticed a difference within the first couple of weeks. I was skeptical, but I could see my teeth becoming visibly brighter with regular use. These whitening tablets are a nice bonus for anyone trying to get an extra clean and even a little extra shine without going to extremes. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's great for people like me who struggle with traditional flossing. It's also more effective at improving gum health than regular floss, according to clinical studies. Plus, the customizable settings are a huge plus, allowing you to adjust based on your needs. On the flip side, it can be a bit bulky compared to string floss or a toothbrush, which could be a consideration for those with limited counter space. Value for money? Honestly, yes. Given its range of features, the Waterpik Aquarius is definitely worth the price. It's built to last, it's more effective than traditional flossing, and it even comes with whitening tablets, so you're essentially getting a 2-in-1 product. If you're looking for alternatives, there are certainly other water flossers out there, but many of them lack the customization of this one. Some brands offer lower price points, but in my opinion, the Waterpik is worth the extra investment when it comes to performance and brand reputation. If you're really on a budget, there are some solid options under $50, but you may lose out on features like the massage setting and whitening benefits. Build quality is solid. The Waterpik Aquarius feels well made, and the color-coded tips are a nice touch for households with multiple users. The 3-year limited warranty also gives me peace of mind, knowing I'm covered if anything goes wrong. In terms of customer support, the brand's reputation is strong. I've heard great things about their customer service in case anything goes wrong, but thankfully, I haven't needed to contact them yet. To wrap things up, I can confidently say the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser is a solid investment for anyone looking to improve their gum health, brighten their smile, and ditch traditional flossing. It does exactly what it promises and more: whitening, plaque removal, and gum health, all in one tool. If you're tired of regular flossing or want to step up your oral care game, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, check the link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss another honest review here on Beautyistic. Thanks again, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.